So, my people, the ongoing saga between Relationship Room TV and Joysekani, now I want to talk about so. So, now not say Relationship Room TV saying get a secret when you want open about Joysekani. Say because Joysekani don't born for Lord of Lemo. Madam, hi! Madam, I thought you are different, but it is obvious all of them are the same kind of people now na be. But before I go into this matter, let me greet you. I greet you according to your time. It's your girl again, Linda this TV. If you're just coming across my video for the first time, do me well by hitting the following button. Make you share this video for me. Make you not forget to drop your comments on the comment section. Like I always say, your opinion matters a lot. So guys, this ongoing saga where they start so. Where Relationship Room TV start with Joysekani. Obviously, Relationship Room TV, now I find trouble for this matter. All these are saga, not they put mouth. But I just want to talk because of this video where posting evidence say this boy now Joysekani pikin and a lot of Lemo pikin. First of all, mother, let me tell you. If Joy gets son for Lord of Lemo, do you think Joy will leave that home for Mary? If Joy really gets son for Lord of Lemo, now Joy for use the two hands and leg bring that pikin come out, make the whole world see him. Because he go use that pikin till they proud. He go use that pikin till they laugh Mary say she don't already born for Lord of Lemo. As I said, she enter inside the house, stay. When Mary for the father they make problem and that pikin now for they make my go saying if first Mary that is if first Mary no Lord of Lemo. If first they talk and say first Mary no Lord of Lemo. But the pikin will go come make him get more power and everything. He said the pikin they tell the woman, they tell Joy say mom is okay to be, it will be all right. Abi you take talk and madam. Now what for you? I was thinking you are different. I don't know say all of una, both the ones where they support Mary, but both una where they support Joy. I don't know that you people are just using them to build your platform, to make your money. At the end of the day, if una say they not see what you want post about them again, una say begin drag them. The way you start dragging Joy do not offend you. Joy not offend you for this one. No. Joy not talk to you. Joy only posted a video that people they see they bash her for comment section. That people see they curse her for comment section. That don't leave the house. Me una arrest. Say because the thing they affect mental health. What I expected from you as somebody that is supporting Joy is for you to encourage her. Say, no, Joy, don't worry. At least you don't fair bear this one. And now when you don't come up for the house. Now you can't complain. Leave them very soon. With time, everything go dey okay. To give her a words of encouragement. As a mother you are and as a supporter you are to Joy. No, you say why Joy go come out? Joy mind day to go back to Lord of Lemo house. Now I made Joy come on. I made this. So sometimes we are mothers. You should be they're very reasonable where we are talking. They're very reasonable. Make Joy can't talk why I come out for Lord of Lemo house. That one should not be your business. Well, if she decided to live for her own sanity, it's good for her. Okay, make she did them every day, make they buzz. Make you they see what you go to analyze for your page, they make money. Is it what you want? Okay, she find out that she has made the mistake. She need to correct the mistake because they say in this life, nobody is above mistake. We are bound to make mistake in one way or the other. The one you know you can correct it. The one you know you cannot correct, just pray to God Almighty for forgiveness. That is what I see. Since she can correct the mistake, she decided to leave. Why are you dragging her for leaving Lord of Lemo house to the extent of bringing this picture, this video? This pikin still resemble Lord of Lemo. This pikin still resemble Lord of Lemo. If Joy don't born for Lord of Lemo, Joy go come hide the pikin for now. Now Joy go by herself, carry the pikin enter the house safe. The pikin for there with am for Lord of Lemo house. If na Lord of Lemo really get the pikin. Now a lot of them really get the pikin. And now go fix say whether she don't fair born, she ever fair born, no, because pikin not be crime. The last time I checked, pikin not be crime. No only foolish person I go deny pikin because of one gbola or the one gbola way not reach anything. Only foolish person I go deny pikin. The last time I checked, I was saying a baby girl, now she girl to now bring baby girl come out to now. So that picture of flower panda. Now you say a baby boy. You yourself say a baby boy. You go bring this video come out say the pikin call Joy mommy. If you call her mommy, what is your business? Madam, what is your business? Chai, una too like wahala. This lady comot for the house. You now you dey vex say why I comot for there. Make I come tell you the reason why I comot for the house. You are now doing investigation minister where you not be. You can't do investigation minister where you not be on top of someone else matter. Chai, now what for now? So all the love you say you love Joysekani, because I have listened to you one day. You say no matter you and Joysekani, we do. You can never say whatever Joysekani have told you. So what is now your gain on all this you are doing? You want to build traffic in your page. You want people to. I don't understand. Person comot for house say not do again. It can't become problem for you wey say they support am. Not be even the opponent to you that is even say you are supporting this person. It can't become problem for you. Why are you not bitter that she left Lord of Lemo? Why are you not pain? Because the last time I check where mama come and talk say see wetin come they bring that audio come out. You were saggering mama for your page. They sagara say mama na bad person na this one. You use that 1 million take on enter Joy body make it take get what they call a secret wey go expose. I not blame una, I blame Joy. That we not know how to cover his mouth. You don't know how to cover his mouth. That is why you have something to say about her. So guys, make una share this video. How this pikin resemble Lord of Lemo? How this pikin resemble Lord of Lemo? Because if na Lord of Lemo, Joy born this pikin. If for example, say na Joy na get this pikin. If na Lord of Lemo na born her phone. Now Joy go use the hand and the leg carry that pikin come out for the whole world to see him. Say na Lord of Lemo pikin be this one na Yodogu pikin. Go use and they brag for everybody to see him. You not go hide them. If now Lord of Lemo really born this pikin for, madam, why you there? Why like this? Why are you people like this? Guys, share this video, guys. Don't forget to drop your comment. Drop your comment on this video. Thank you.